Good morning. I am just about to leave. I am leaving for about a month to go south where my family lives, and I'm just going to take you along on the ride. So yeah, another road trip for the books. I just stopped my car to have something to eat. I've been driving for 2.5 hours and I have about 4 hours and 41 minutes left. So I thought I would stop to eat a bit. And my boyfriend, he did something. He wrote a note. He loves writing notes. So he wrote a note on my food. It's so cute. Oh, and I was just about to eat this, and then I saw that Chris also put some chocolates in the bottom for me, and he surprised me with one of these. This is basically a cream egg, but the Norwegian version. I absolutely love these. So I guess we had some left over from Easter, but I didn't know, so that was quite a surprise. So I arrived at my mom's and I've had something to eat, and I just wanted to show you my room because my mom has actually done a few more things since I've been here last, and I just want to show you because I really love it. So this is what it looks like when you walk in. So this dresser is actually an heirloom. It's my great grandma's dresser, and I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful and it fits perfectly in here. And then you have a little seating area with a little picture of me when I was a little baby, a little mini Camilla. And of course you have the bed, perfectly made, and a cat bed, which is Luna's, but Luna is not here with me this time, sadly, so she just put some slippers in here for me this time. But it's so cozy and I can't wait to sleep here tonight. I also started a new read. It's The Spark of the Everflame by Pen Curl. It's the Kindred's Curse Saga Book 1. And I'm really enjoying this. It's a very deep fantasy book, and as you may know, if you watched my other videos, I haven't read a lot of deep fantasy. So going into this, the whole world building thing and getting to know the magic system, it's still pretty new to me, but getting into this world and this magic system was quite an okay journey. I'm at chapter 5 and I feel like I do understand a lot of what's going on. There's still some questions, like there's some questions I have about the magic system, but I think that's what's intended with this book. I think you're not supposed to know everything about the magic system and the world from the offset. So it's very interesting, to say the least. I'm very intrigued because something happens right in the beginning of the book that really sets you off on a journey to find out what's going on. It's definitely not as easy to get into as it was getting into the world of the Crimson Moth, but I mean, it's a deep fantasy. That's what to expect, you know. So for what it is, I think it's pretty easy to get into. I'm not really an advanced deep fantasy reader. So yes.
en hel sånn svær hylle med sånn der
Nei, Kristin, da blir det farlig for meg å dra dit.
Ja, det var en hel hylle. Det var så mange.
Det var faktisk, skal jeg være helt ærlig,
Og jeg tar
Christer som fant det. Og med en gang jeg så det, så var jeg sånn, jo, det er riktig.
Det var kjempefint. Snart så er det ikke gøy.
Med papiret.
Jeg må ta bilder før jeg åpner det da. Jeg kan ikke noe før det så blir borte.
Nå er jeg helt idiot. Ja, sånn. Den nydelige.
Og det er så fint.
Men du kan bare åpne den hvis du vil. We're going to taste test this 7-Up pink lemonade flavor. It's 0 sugar as well. I don't really usually like 0 sugar 7-Ups, but
Men, var det sukker i det?
no added sugar. We tasted this earlier. This was a
Pop?
cherry lime pop.
Pop soda?
Yes, it was quite good actually. Okay, skål. Okay.
Den er ikke gæren.
Nei.
Nei, den er god. Og søt.
Refreshing. Okay.
Jeg vet ikke hvordan fargen den er da. Kanskje han er pink? Skal vi hente glass?
Jeg tror vi må det.
Den er rosa.
It is pink. Oh, that's so cute.
Den er pink.
Nice.
Det burde den være da, med det pink lemonade.
Another plus. Yes. So I'm still at Kristin's house and I just wanted to show you her amazing bookshelf because she was inspired by... Would you say you were inspired by me?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. So she made herself a very, very beautiful and cozy bookshelf. I mean, this is absolutely stunning. I'm kind of envious because yours is actually really stunning. And mine is really basic. She painted an old bookshelf in this gorgeous sage green. And she, I don't know, you can see in back here. If you see in the back here, she actually put up some wallpaper. It makes such a huge difference. It looks much more cottagecore vibe. Don't you think? Yeah. And it's so beautiful. And she has a lot of stunning editions as well. All of these beautiful editions. And all of the beautiful Bridgerton editions. Ah, I'm absolutely in love. And also the books that she got from me this birthday. 7 Years Slip and The Crimson Moth. Aww. Hello, sister. Oh, you're such a cutie. These are the flowers that were made. So me and Chris have tried to make... So Chris started it. He made flowers like these for me. So it's made for Kristin as well. They look so perfect there. Good morning. Today I am just going to have a very, very slow Monday. I've had my breakfast and I'm just going to read and relax today, I think. The reason I'm here is actually because I am going to attend a health and wellness retreat for about a month, and it's because I have a few chronic illnesses, and I'm hoping to get some more help to get my body back to where it needs to be, and also just being able to make the most out of every day. So that is what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to check in there tomorrow on Tuesday, and I'm not going to vlog a lot when I'm there, but I'm going to show you like a few things here and there. So but obviously not gonna vlog everybody else on this journey with me, because it's very, very private. Good evening. It's very dark. I'm so sorry for the lights, but I am about to go to sleep, and I just wanted to update you. So you might have just seen a few clips of me and my nan, my dad's mum. We started baking a cake for my dad's birthday, which is tomorrow. So it's Friday today, tomorrow is Saturday, my dad's birthday, and then on Sunday is our Constitution Day, which is the 17th of May. And so I thought I would just bring you along on the celebration. I have already spent a week at the wellness retreat, and I am taking a weekend off because there is nothing going on there for the weekend, and because it's my dad's birthday and the Norwegian Constitution Day, I just thought it would be great to pop into my family and stay with them for the weekend. So that is what's happening, and I will update you more tomorrow when we are actually celebrating my dad and finishing up the cake. Good morning and welcome to Saturday. I'm currently at my nan's house to finish up the cakes, or just the one cake. So I've cut up the cake into 2 pieces. I'm gonna dunk these in coffee and a little bit of milk, and I have made the buttercream that is going to be inside of the cake, and I'm going to start on making the top layer, because this cake has buttercream and chocolate filling, and then it has a ganache on top, which is absolutely mouth-watering. I love it. So these cakes have a buttercream filling with butter and chocolate, with a little bit of coffee in it as well. So I'm dunking the cake in coffee milk, and then I'm going to spread some raspberry jam as well. The ganache is put on the cake, and now it's soon time to decorate. Koselig det. Han er så søtete.
Han är söt han. Och jag vet.
Ja. So the cake is ready. Here it is in all its glory. And the chicken salad that my grandma and grandfather made. This is the chicken salad that I grew up on. We used to eat this chicken salad every 17th of May, didn't we? Every 17th of May we had a barbecue outside, and we had a chicken salad for dinner. So it brings back a lot of very, very fond memories for me. Good morning and happy 17th of May to all the Norwegian viewers. I'm just getting ready for the celebration for today. I am having brunch with my best friend Kristin, who lives here, and then I'm going to have a celebration evening with my family. So for you people who are not from Norway, maybe do not know how we Norwegians celebrate our Constitution Day. So there is usually a lot going on in the city centre of where you live. There's usually a parade going on, usually by the children. So all the children are walking in a parade. There's a band playing music in the parade and lots of singing. I am not going to watch a parade this year, I think, just because it doesn't pan out like that, because I'm in the middle of nowhere and I prioritize visiting my friend instead and being with my family. So that's my plan for this year. I'm taking it very slow, as I do most years, and I'm just having a little family time. Yesterday was a very, very nice day with my dad, and we celebrated my dad and my dad's dog, actually, because my dad's dog Harley, he's also born on the 16th of May. They share a birthday. Since I'm away, I'm so happy that I'm actually away somewhere that I can actually stay with my family. I do miss living back here and being close to my family. I'm a very, very family orientated girl, and I do miss being close to my family. One day I will be again, but for now I'm staying put in Trondheim. We've been taking pictures outside because we'd never take any pictures together. Oh!
Sorry.
But now we have lots of pictures together because it actually ended up being kind of a beautiful day. I don't know if you can see. You're still on the tripod, so I'm so sorry. But it's kind of a beautiful day today, so he ended up being quite nice. Hello. So I've just been to my friend Kristen's house and we have had a wonderful day. We ate brunch together and we had a great time. We had a photo shoot, which was absolutely amazing because we haven't taken any pictures together, as I told you earlier. So we just had so much fun today. We were just laughing and having a great time, and it was just so nice to just see her and having just a really, really chill and lovely time. I adore that girl so blooming much. She is just a ray of sunshine and she just means the world to me. So it was so amazing to be able to share this day with her. I'm now on my way back home to my mom's house because my grandmother, my mom's mom, has come over and we are going to have a dinner together. And the sun has come through and it's become a very, very beautiful day. So I'm absolutely loving it. I really, really enjoy celebrating the 17th of May just like this. Just having a really, really slow and chill time. Don't worry, I'm not on the main roads yet. I'm just on her country road. We had some leftover of my cake from yesterday as well. We just had a very, very lovely time. I'm going back to my wellness retreat later tonight. And here is my stunning mom making the porridge. You look so beautiful.
God 17 maj.
God 17 maj. Good evening. I am back at the wellness retreat in my room and I just had an amazing 17th of May celebration with my friend and my family, and I'm so grateful that I'm able to celebrate in a very meaningful and very cozy and slow way, because I know not everyone has anyone to celebrate with and not everyone has like a friend group to go out with on the 17th of May. So I feel very blessed and very grateful right now that I have my people. Just have a cozy day and just relax and celebrate our freedom, because that's initially what we are celebrating, the freedom we have in Norway. So with that said, I am now back and I'm going to sleep. I'm very, very tired. I'm going to have to take off my makeup and pop in the shower. I have an early start tomorrow and it's going to be a busy week. Next weekend I have some plans with my friend Kristen again and with my family, and I also saw the forecast that it's actually forecasted to be 24 degrees. So it might be the first like summery vlog, and I'm actually really quite excited about that. So yeah, okay, I'll see you in the next one. Good night.